Hey viewers, in this video we are going to learn about different types of number systems used in digital computers and what are the types of conversions we can make between these number systems. So let's start the video. We already know from mathematics that we have different types of number systems like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and prime numbers. But we cannot use the same number systems in digital computers. We have different sets of numbers in digital computers. They are binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Let's just know briefly about all these number systems, then we can know how they are converted. The first number system is the binary number system, which contains only two values 0 and 1, which represents high and low electronic pulses. In other words, we can say when a circuit is on, it is given by 1, and when a circuit is off, it is given by 0. The following are some of the examples of binary numbers. If we have a 4-byte number, it is called as a nibble. If we have a 8-byte number, we call it as a byte. Since we have only two values, in binary number system, we usually represent binary numbers with a base 2. The second number system is decimal number system. It is similar to our mathematical number system, but it only contains 10 elements. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take an example of decimal number 2341. Here we can write all the decimal numbers in terms of tens power, like we can see in the example. We will be using this notation when we are doing our conversions. Since decimal number system contains 10 elements, we represent decimal number system by a base 10. The third number system is called as octal number system. It is similar to the decimal number system. The only difference is it only has 8 values, starting from 0, end at 7, and the octal number occupies 3 bits of memory. We can have examples like 250, 1125, 1423. The octal numbers will be represented with a base 8. The fourth number system is hexadecimal number system. It contains 16 elements. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Here A, B, C, D, E, F represents 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Some of the examples of hexadecimal numbers are FA32, 1124, 11B3. Since we have 16 elements in the hexadecimal numbers, we will be representing a hexadecimal number by a base 6. These are the four number systems we will be using in digital computer. Let us know all the types of conversions we can make in these number systems. We can convert a binary number into a decimal number or a octal number or a hexadecimal number. We can convert a decimal number into a binary number or a octal number or a hexadecimal number. We can convert a octal number into a decimal number or binary number or hexadecimal number. The last one, we can convert a hexadecimal number into a binary number or decimal number or an octal number. These are all the conversions we can make in the number systems. Here you might get a doubt that computer only understands anything in terms of zeros and ones. Then why do we need these many number systems? How are we going to use these number systems? We are going to answer all these questions in our next video. But before that, please let me know in the comments, why do you think we need all these different types of number systems? So that's all for this video. If there are any problems, you can comment down below. We will try to answer it. So let's meet in another video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Autodidact and click on the bell icon to be notified on all updates from Autodidact.